treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Toyota Avalon Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and power seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.